Coolest gadgets for women. In an era where technology intertwines seamlessly with every aspect of our lives, a new generation of gadgets has emerged, designed with the modern woman in mind. From the bustling worlds of fashion and beauty to the realms of wellness, connectivity, and beyond, these gadgets transcend mere functionality to become extensions of personality, style, and empowerment. The coolest gadgets for women effortlessly blend form and function, offering a symphony of innovation that enhances daily life, empowers pursuits, and underscores the uniqueness of each individual. Green Life 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. The Green Life 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station emerges as a culinary marvel, transforming the mundane morning routine into a vibrant and efficient culinary experience. This multifunctional appliance embodies innovation, seamlessly integrating a toaster, coffee maker, and griddle, all within a single compact unit. Picture this: the intoxicating aroma of freshly brewed coffee permeating the air, while golden slices of toast crisp to perfection, and a sizzling griddle simultaneously crafts fluffy pancakes or crispy bacon. This breakfast powerhouse encapsulates convenience, allowing you to orchestrate a symphony of flavors with minimal effort. Gone are the days of juggling multiple appliances, as the Green Life Breakfast Maker Station elegantly streamlines your kitchen, becoming a true morning companion that elevates your breakfast ritual to a delightful symphony of taste and convenience. She's Birdie Personal Safety Alarm. In a world where personal safety is paramount, the She's Birdie Personal Safety Alarm emerges as a beacon of empowerment and security. This elegantly designed device transcends its minimalist aesthetics, delivering a potent blend of peace of mind and instant access to assistance. With a discreet yet impactful design, this alarm can be effortlessly attached to your everyday items, ensuring it's within reach during moments of vulnerability. When activated, a powerful siren pierces through the silence, instantly alerting those around you and deterring potential threats. The She's Birdie Personal Safety Alarm transcends its compact form, offering a steadfast companion that empowers individuals to navigate the world with courage and confidence. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Egg Cooker Ring. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Egg Cooker Ring redefines breakfast preparation, infusing it with culinary ingenuity and gastronomic delight. Imagine orchestrating a symphony of flavors within minutes. Perfectly toasted English muffins cradle a masterpiece of eggs, cheese, and crispy bacon, all expertly cooked to perfection. This appliance transcends its compact dimensions, offering a gateway to endless breakfast possibilities. As the aroma of sizzling bacon and brewing coffee envelops the kitchen, the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker becomes a culinary conductor, transforming the morning routine into a gourmet adventure. With every bite, you savor the fruits of innovation, reveling in the joy of a homemade breakfast masterpiece that's as delightful to create as it is to devour. Braun Epilator Silkapil 99030 with flexible head. The Braun Epilator Silkapil 99030 with flexible head presents a refined approach to hair removal, epitomizing elegance, efficiency, and unparalleled comfort. This cutting-edge epilator boasts a flexible head that effortlessly contours to your body's natural curves, ensuring an optimal and painless hair removal experience. The precision tweezers grasp even the finest hairs, leaving your skin irresistibly smooth for weeks. With multiple speed settings, this epilator accommodates different sensitivities and hair types, curating a personalized experience that caters to your unique needs. As the Silkapil 99030 glides effortlessly across your skin, you're greeted by the sensation of refined luxury, as unwanted hair becomes a distant memory, leaving behind only a sense of confidence and elegance. ROT2GO1 7-Cut Collapsible Colander Strainer. The ROT2GO1 7-Cut Collapsible Colander Strainer emerges as a versatile masterpiece in the realm of culinary efficiency, revolutionizing the way we prepare and serve our meals. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this colander seamlessly transitions between its expanded and collapsed states, optimizing storage space while never compromising on functionality. As water cascades through its meticulously designed perforations, you witness the perfect marriage of form and function, effortlessly straining pasta, rinsing fruits, and draining vegetables. This culinary marvel effortlessly adapts to your needs, embracing versatility as a core principle. With the ROT2GO1 collapsible colander strainer in hand, meal preparation becomes an artistic endeavor, where culinary innovation meets practicality, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Garmin Lily Smartwatch. The Garmin Lily smartwatch gracefully marries elegance and intelligence, redefining the very essence of wearable technology. Beyond its sleek and refined exterior lies a sophisticated array of features designed to elevate your lifestyle. Fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, stress level assessment. These are just a few of the Lily's capabilities that seamlessly blend into your daily routine. With customizable watch faces and bands, the Lily becomes a true reflection of your style and personality. But it's not just a smartwatch. It's a wearable companion that seamlessly integrates into your life, offering insights, guidance, and connectivity at your fingertips. The Garmin Lily transcends mere technology, becoming a timeless accessory that embodies both beauty and brains, a testament to the harmonious convergence of design and innovation. Revlon Face Roller. The Revlon Face Roller emerges as a symphony of self-care, a conductor of relaxation and rejuvenation that transforms your skincare routine into a meditative experience. Crafted with precision and care, this facial roller delicately glides across your skin, invoking a sense of serenity as it gently massages and soothes. Beyond its physical benefits, the act of rolling becomes a ritual, a moment of quietude in a fast-paced world. As the roller's cooling touch meets your skin, tension and stress melt away, leaving behind a canvas of calm and radiance. With the Revlon Face Roller in hand, you orchestrate a symphony of self-love, a daily ritual that transcends skincare to become a harmonious blend of mindfulness and beauty. Remedies Hot and Cold Therapy Slippers for Swollen and Painful Feet. In a world that demands so much from our feet, the Remedies Hot and Cold Therapy Slippers stand as a haven of relief, a sanctuary for tired, swollen, and aching feet. These slippers combine the soothing power of hot and cold therapy, embracing your feet in a cocoon of comfort and rejuvenation. Whether it's the warmth that eases tension after a long day or the cooling relief that invigorates tired muscles, the Remedies slippers become a source of solace and restoration. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, these slippers redefine the concept of relaxation, transcending conventional footwear to become a true embodiment of self-care. With each step, you're reminded of the healing power that lies within simplicity, an oasis for your feet, offering respite in a world that rarely slows down. Dayz Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dayz Rapid Egg Cooker emerges as a culinary dynamo, elevating egg preparation to a level of efficiency and innovation previously unimagined. From soft-boiled to poached, omelets to scrambled, this compact marvel seamlessly caters to your egg preferences with precision and speed. Its minimalist design belies a powerful functionality that orchestrates the art of egg preparation with ease. Imagine mornings infused with the aroma of perfectly cooked eggs, ready to energize your day in a matter of minutes. The Dayz Rapid Egg Cooker transcends mere kitchen gadgetry, becoming a steadfast ally for egg enthusiasts who demand excellence, efficiency, and a touch of culinary creativity in their daily routines. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.